How does a toxic relationship sound like? So you can, if you are there, you can find yourself. Number one, it minimizes harm. It minimizes harm. So it sounds like this. It's not that bad. He or she didn't mean it like that. He was just angry. She was just angry. Or you are spiritualizing abuse. God is teaching me patience. Somebody is slapping you. Somebody is telling you you are worthless, that you are nothing without me. And you say God is teaching you. Our theology of God is horrible. That God is teaching me patience. This is what is called the test of faith. Love suffers long. You have seen that kind of nonsense. I just need to pray more. Where scriptures are weaponized to silence pain instead of expose sin. You blame yourself for being hurt. Maybe I'm too sensitive. If I was better, this wouldn't happen. The responsibility typically will shift from the abuser to the person that is wounded.